Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter with this outfit and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose 3 hairs. The first one is this hair. You're going to choose only bangs and make it black, and then you're going to do this adjustment. Okay, you can follow my adjustment, and then combined with this hair, you're going to make it black and this bang, and you're going to do this adjustment. You can make them all black and put on this necklace, make it this color, and this earring, make it white and gold. And then at the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and then I'm going to put on this boots. I'm going to choose the gold too, and then we're going to color it white and also gold. Okay, for the fourth selection, you can make it this color, and for the last selection as well. And the next one, I'm going to go to the curves item and put on this shirt. We're going to make it smooth and then make it metallic, and then we're going to color it white. Okay, done. And then I'm going to combine it with the sleeves from the witch set, make it white and make it gold for the lace, and then for the material, make it metallic. And then I'm going to put on this top from the petal update. We're going to make it white and also gold. Okay, for the second selection, make it this gold color, and then for the last selection, make it white and change the material to metallic. And then I'm going to go to this menu and put on this skirt, and then we're going to choose toggle 3 and make it white and white. Oops, sorry. Make it white again and make it gold for the third selection, and then we're going to make it metallic. Alright, and I'm going to go to the next area. Oops, sorry, I forgot something from this dressing room. We can put on this Ella skirt and remove the ribbon, make it white and also gold for the lacing. Okay, and go to the next area. Okay, don't forget to make it metallic. Alright, and go to the next area. You're going to put on this short jeans, and we're going to make it metallic, and we're going to make it white, just like the previous color. Okay, make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and finally you will have this look. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.